Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to sign up for Candy Crush Saga without Facebook. To sign up Candy Crush Saga without Facebook, first of all, open the Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. If you haven't already, also make sure to download the Candy Crush Saga app on your device first and launch it open. Once you're inside this home page of Candy Crush Saga, tap on the Retrieve My Progress button. This will take you to this sign up and login interface where you can tap on the sign up with email option in order to sign up for Candy Crush Saga without Facebook. Now you'll need to create your King account. Enter an email address that you have an access to in the text box, and then create a password for your King account in the next field where it says password. Finally, click on Create a King account. Right after you do that, you will then be able to create a new account for King. And that way, you will now be able to save your progress without using Facebook. All you need to do is to create a King account, and that's how you easily sign up for Candy Crush Saga without Facebook. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.